Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to optimally prepare your one-page website for search engines using the latest SEO features supported by AI. Here's what we'll cover in this video. What is SEO and why is it so important? OnePage's latest SEO features for individual pages supported by AI, how AI helps you automatically create page titles, descriptions, keywords, and alt texts, OnePage's latest SEO features for the entire website, and finally, the benefits of AI-powered SEO features. Let's jump right in. So what is SEO and why is it so important? So first off, SEO stands for search engine optimization. It helps your website be found more easily in search results. The better your page is optimized, the more visitors come to your site, completely free of charge, unlike paid advertising. The benefits of SEO at a glance: better visibility on Google and Co., more visitors who are genuinely interested in what you offer, more trust and professionalism for your brand, long-term results that still pay off weeks later. So SEO is essential, but it doesn't have to be complicated. And this is where OnePage's AI-powered features really shine. Next, let's look at the SEO settings for each individual page in OnePage and how AI makes this faster and easier. So what you're going to do is open any page in your project, and we're going to go over here to the side and open settings and then go to SEO. Here you'll see everything that you can optimize. So we have our page title, which is a short title that appears in the browser and in search results. So I can easily click the sparkle icon here and AI will automatically create an SEO optimized page title for me. So I can go ahead and click that. And then now I have Unlock Your Potential, Choose Your Book Package. So this is an e-com site for our different books that we offer. So this is a great page title. Next, we have our page description, and this is just a short summary shown below the title in Google. So as you can see up here, we have a really nice preview of what this would look like on search engines. So I can go ahead and click the AI tool for that as well. And then we have Choose Your Book Package to unlock your potential. Select from standard, deluxe, or premium options to achieve your career goals. Next, we have keywords. This is where you'll enter comma-separated keywords to help search engines understand your content better. So I can go ahead and choose that, and then it'll give me a bunch of keywords for this. Next, we have our sharing image. So this is the preview image shown when your page is shared on social media. An important note: sharing images must be uploaded manually. AI cannot create these automatically, so you will have to upload your own. What I could do is just screenshot my hero and I could upload that here, and then I would have a really nice preview here. Next, we have markup, and this shows all of the headings on your page. Search engines rely heavily on clean heading structure, so this helps make sure everything is formatted correctly. So we have everything with headers. We can go ahead and view these. So we have all of these headers throughout our website, and it's giving a nice little animation to show which one this is referencing. Moving further down here, we have our alt text. So this alternative text describes the images for screen readers. This improves accessibility and it helps search engines classify your content. Now you're able to add the alt text manually for your images. So for this example, this black book, I would add the alt text, black hard book, titled The Agency Method, with the subtext reading Save Money and Increase Earnings with Better Pages. So as you can see, I would need to do this for 27 other images just on this page alone. That can be extremely time consuming, but I have another option here. I can use OnePage's AI feature here and click either this sparkle icon to automatically generate alt text for me, or I could click Generate with AI for these 26 images missing alt text. And what's going to happen is the AI is going to go through and add all of the alt text for all of my remaining images. So you can see it's going through and adding all of these. So we have smiling man in a green shirt holding a white packet of welcome to health savings information. So this is super helpful when it automatically generates all of your alt text for you, saving you a ton of time, especially on image heavy pages like this one. Now, another thing that I would like to mention, you can choose to exclude a page from search engines. This can be done either for the entire website within the global settings or individually per page. So if I go to the page settings and under indexing, I can toggle off allow indexing of this page. And now this single page will not be indexed. But if I were to go to site settings, I could go to the general site settings, and then I can disable site indexing altogether. So this means that my entire site will not be able to be indexed. This is specific to your use case, but just know both options are inside of your SEO settings. And just a tip, you can check whether your page is indexable using the free tool linked below in the description. Now let's switch to the project level SEO settings, which apply to your whole site. So we're already here in our project settings. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this. And since I already have settings open, I'm going to go to SEO on the left sidebar. Here you will see the website name, which is displayed in search results next to your favicon, and your URL. So my website name can be called Bookly Careers, since this is my company name, so you could add your company name or your brand name there. Next, we have our page title pattern. Here is how you define the titles of your pages are displayed in search results. By default, the website name and page title are combined automatically. For example, we have page title and website name. You can customize this pattern if you prefer a different layout by clicking the drop-down menu and selecting from all of these different options. Next, we have integrations and tracking. This section lets you connect your one-page site to key tools that improve or monitor your SEO. So we have Google Search Console, and this will help you improve visibility and detect indexing errors. The steps to connect this is just clicking connect, and then you need to authorize your Google account. You submit your website within Search Console, and then after submitting, you can request indexing. So this helps new content appear faster. And then you also need to submit your sitemap, and this lets Google understand your site structure. Important notes here, if indexing is not deactivated, Google will automatically capture your site over time. Visibility may take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, even 6 to 8 weeks, depending on domain authority, page count, and competition. And I just also want to note, no company, including Onepage, can accelerate this manually. Immediate results are only possible through paid ads. So don't worry, indexing definitely takes patience. Check your sitemap in the Search Console, and your pages will gradually appear in search results. Next, we have Google Tag Manager. This is where you can add tags and tracking codes without editing your site's code manually. So all you would have to do is put your Google Analytics ID or your Google Tag Manager to track users on your website. We have a whole video on how to do this on the channel, so if you have any questions, make sure you check that video out. Next, we have the information schema, which is your structured data. This structured data is automatically created here for your page so that search engines can better understand your content. You can choose by the default, which is what we recommend here at Onepage, or custom if you want to use your own structures. Moving on, Onepage automatically creates a sitemap for your website so search engines can find and index all pages correctly. We recommend leaving the setting on automatic, which is the recommended, unless you need your own sitemap. Next, we have robots.txt. Here is a robots.txt file, and it is automatically created to tell search engines which pages they are allowed to crawl. We also recommend the standard setting unless you need special rules. And then finally, we have llms.txt. Here you can define which content AI bots are allowed to read from your site. By default, a file with an overview of your page is created automatically to help AI systems understand your content. You can choose between automatic or custom if you want to restrict or control the content. So we have a really nice high-level overview on what our site is, but you could also add your custom LLMs text. The new AI-powered SEO features save you a lot of time and work. They automatically create page titles, descriptions, and alt text, ensure a consistent structure across all pages, and improve your website's discoverability on Google. At the same time, you can retain full control and can manually adjust everything if needed. This way, you can achieve better results faster without hours of work. So that was an overview of the new AI SEO features in Onepage. You've learned how to use SEO to improve your website's visibility and how to configure the SEO settings both for the entire project and individual pages. So to wrap things up here are the key takeaways from this tutorial. First, let AI handle the heavy lifting. Use it to generate your page titles, descriptions, and alt text. It saves a ton of time and instantly improves how well your site can be discovered. Second, make sure you connect your website to Google Search Console. That is the fastest way to help your page get indexed and start showing up in search results. And finally, remember that SEO takes a bit of patience. You won't see results overnight, but the work that you put in now will pay off for weeks and months to come. Try the new features directly on your website and watch how quickly your pages improve in search results.